You ever backed up into your garage door while backing out of your garage? Put some scrapes right here. Shear off the little water jet nozzle. Well, here's the new water jet we're gonna put in today. And there's the part number in case you need it for this 2013 Ford Flex. Well, I wasn't the first guy in here. Whoever was in here before did some modifications and didn't do a good job of putting it back together. There's these clips over here. You see this clip right here? How it goes straight out like that. This one right here didn't go in, so they're like, let's just bash it flat. It's supposed to be straight. And check this out. This is definitely not stock. I don't know what that is, but it's hooked up to the brake light. What in the world could this be? Let's pull the plastic out of the washer hose from the broken jet. There we go. Well, if I don't get this flat, then it's gonna leak. So I'll see what I can do here. Well, I got my little dolly thing on the back side of it. It's fairly flat. I mean, it's not like perfect. My dimple is now raised a little bit here. All right, I think that's about as good as I'm gonna get it. All right, just to be sure it seals, I know this is cheating. I'm gonna use a little bit of RTV black. I'll just wipe off the excess once I put this in, but I don't want it leaking. Let's try this better RTV tube. So here's the new jet. That's in. Let's clean this up a little bit around there. Here's the hose. Kind of hard to see that nozzle in there. It's black on black. Push this on there. That's on it now. All right, let's unhook the door lift strut so that we can put the panel back in. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Hit you right in the face. Let's hook this back up. Pull the gate down a little bit. Line it up. It's on there. Let's see if I can get this bent clip to go back in. That's a job well done. Got that from Ernest.